For today's videos, may swimming si Gab ngayon. So dito kami sa swimming pool, so makikisim tayo.
Gigi! Ay, kuya! Gabriel, you need to wait. Extra careful.
I can hold him.
Wow! Gigi! Gigi! Tyler! Ang dalawa doon, no? Gabriel, wait for mommy. Okay. Sorry. Sorry.
One hour later.
Guys, tapos na yung swimming. So, did you enjoy, Kuya?
Yes.
What about you, Mommy?
Of course.
So,
This is
di
my
mo-
first swimming in
She didn't know how to
Canada.
swim, so probably she didn't enjoy it.
I enjoy having a hot bath and sauna. What do you call that? My God.
What kids? Gonna put it right here.
You can put it on the back. Not there. It will be wet. At the back.
It's okay. Go sit down.
Where's my stroller?
Straw at home.
So tired. Sit down, baby.
Really?
Buckle up.
Buckle up. Buckle yourself. Faster. Daddy will drive. You're grown up now, right? Gigi, buckle up. Not yet, Daddy. Hey, hurry up. Buckle yourself.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
I'm taking.
Bye!
So, pauwi na tayo. Palapit lang tayo ito.
Ay, come on. Ano ba yung driver natin?
5 minutes na naman to from bahay.
Pwede naman lakarin.
So, pwede mag-seatbelt yung passenger.
Ay! Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you for reminding me, baby. Inutusan kasi ako ng tatay mo mag-video. Kaya lang kalimutan ka.
Sarado na ito mo, friends.
No, it's to close 9. Today is ano, right? Sunday lang naman siya nagko-close
Early
early.
naman. Grocery kasi ka. Bibilin na yung
Bilhin sabon, pumugas ng plato, wala na. Tsaka bigas, naka-sale daw.
bigas. Wala na yung ubos na yun. Ano pa tayo
Kahit
bigas
isa
eh?
lang. Dalawa na lang yun, mabilis maubos. Nabawasan na nga dala natin eh. I-try natin yung bigas dito. Na, ano, parang ibang jasmine yun. Yung naka-sale. Let's try. Why not?
So, sobrang ganda ng paligid.
Yeah.
Time check, 8 p.m.
8 p.m.
Feels like-
Pero, oh my God. So, this is Manitoba. Accessible lahat.
Yan, makikita nyo sa Main Street. Yan, yan. Ito yung accessible lahat. Lahat ng gusto mo. Oh.
Nandyan yung... Masyado naman talang gitna. Baka naman pwedeng tumabi kayo. Mga batang yan. Saan ang bahay natin? Your bracelet? Why? Oh my God, nag-over na tayo sa bahay natin.
So,
Kuya Sin daw.
sa bahay na tayo. So, lumampas tayo. Punta
Balik
tayo
ulit.
sa Main Street. Kataliwa na tayo.
It's 8 na. Pa kami niluto sa bahay. Kasi ang chef ko, wala, nag-cellphone. Hindi man lang nagluto. Hindi ready. Parang hindi chef. My God. Chef sa store, pero sa bahay, wala. Hindi prepare sa mga... Sumobra naman, doon kanina dapat nag-ano na tayo doon.
Doon pala ka.
Doon na kanina, doon pa lang eh. Hindi na
Ito yung Main Street, wala ng tao lang.
sa atin nakaharap eh. Walang tao. Ang ganda dito guys. Wait lang. Mamaya na lang pag-uwi. Okay. Yan. This is, what's this? Emergency hospital nila. Tapos, perfect. Tapos police station na nasa kabila. Ayun ang police station. And then, no frills. Yeah. So, grocery.
Still open.
Of course. It's until 9. Don't close it away. So, dyan kami nag-grocery kasi medyo ano siya. I don't know kung tipid nga ba, but I don't know.